In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link data from a different tab in Google Sheets. This is a really handy technique that allows you to pull information from one sheet into another, ensuring that your data is consistent and up to date without manual copying and pasting. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, open up the Google Sheet where you want to link data. You might already have your file ready to go, but if not, you can create a new spreadsheet from the Google Sheets homepage. Once you have your spreadsheet open, identify the sheet or the specific cell that contains the data you want to link. You might have multiple sheets within your file, so be sure to select the correct one with the data you need. Now, navigate to the sheet where you would like the data to appear. In this sheet, click on the cell that will display the linked data. This step is essential because this is where you'll be setting up the link to your source data. With that cell selected, it's time to start typing. Enter an equal sign, which is the standard way to start a formula in Google Sheets. Next, you'll need to type the name of the source sheet. This is crucial because it tells Google Sheets exactly where to look for the data you want to link. When you're entering the name, make sure it's exactly how it appears on the tab. If your sheet name contains spaces, be sure to enclose it in single quotes. Immediately following the sheet name, type an exclamation mark. This symbol acts as a separator, indicating that the next part of your entry will specify the exact cell or range within the source sheet. After the exclamation mark, enter the cell address or range address that you wish to link. For instance, if you want to link cell A1 from the source sheet, type in A1 right after the exclamation mark. If you're linking a range, say from A1 to B10, it would be A1 B10. Finally, once you've set up your formula with the sheet name, exclamation mark, and cell address, press Enter. And just like that, your Google Sheet now displays the data from the selected cell or range in the other tab. This linked data will automatically update whenever the source data changes, keeping your sheet current without any extra effort on your part. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully linked data across tabs in Google Sheets, making your workflow more efficient and dynamic. Practice this a few times to get comfortable, and soon you'll be linking data across sheets with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy spreadsheeting!